Alright, so nobody guessed what this thing is. I'll go ahead and say what it is. This is a 1970 to 74 AMC 360. Now obviously that is not the stock intake. That's an Offenhauser dual 4-barrel with two Holley double pumpers sitting on top of it. And this came out of a 70 through 74 AMC Javelin. Also has long tube header sitting up here with it and transmission behind it. Pretty interesting find. And sitting right next to the motor, a real one. Thing is in freaking immaculate condition. Alright, so I hinted at a new project that's going to be following me home. And here she is. Look at this straight body. Couple little dings in the bed there, but look, I mean, the freaking fenders are straight as arrows, no dings in the doors. I mean, not real, it's just a little bit of surface rust on her. She ain't rusted out. Freaking dash ain't all cracked up. But this is a 90, 02, a 90 year model. Automatic 4-wheel drive, 4.0, just like my 2000. And a little something else got included in the deal, and it just got thrust upon me, and that would be this old girl. The wood grain, fancy. But this one looks like an auto also. And I don't see where the 4x4 shifter is on it. If it's on the floor, if it's a push button, I'm not sure yet. I don't know hardly anything about these old Broncos. I'm not even sure what year this one is. I know it's a 2. Let's see. This took the 2.9. And we're looking for a date. Anywhere. Not seeing a date sticker there. I have to look it up on the VIN and find out. But she needs a motor. So we might turn this one into a toy. It's not quite as pretty as the Ranger. But it seems to be mostly here anyway. All the glass is intact. It's not badly rusted out either. So this should be a fun project. Y'all stay tuned.